Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to technicality bridge your IONOS assets with your WordPress site using the latest platform integration. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to unify their studio infrastructure and maintain high-end technicality in their latest web architecture. Let's get into it. First, access the high-end IONOS domain hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your professional asset retrieval. You need to identify the technical domain you intend to map to your latest studio project. Go to ionos.com homepage and log into your high-end account. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Domains and SSL tile. In the latest standards, this hub is the professional gateway to your digital identity. Navigating here technically prepares your workspace for the high-end transfer of your latest domain data. Next, authenticate and capture your studio domain. To ensure your latest market analysis of your web presence is technicality accurate, you must precisely capture the domain string from your professional ledger. Scroll through your list of high-end assets. Once you identify the target, block and copy one of your domains, like yourstudio.com. Ensure you technicality copy the full text without any trailing spaces or amateur quality typos for the latest mapping. Copying the domain is a mechanical necessity for the latest technical synchronization. It technicality prepares your clipboard with the professional, high-end data required for the next phase of your studio build. Next, initialize the WordPress technical integration. Now you need to bridge the gap between your IONOS repository and the latest WordPress engine by technicality accessing the core configuration layer. Head to your WordPress settings by logging into your site's high-end admin dashboard. Navigate to the Settings menu on the sidebar and scroll down until you see the Site Address (URL) section and click the Add Custom Address link or button. In the field provided, paste the domain you previously technicality copied from IONOS. Use the interface to search for your domain to confirm the link is active. If it is a new asset, you can technicality proceed to buy or confirm the high-end mapping. Follow the on-screen prompts to technicality finalize the purchase or connection for your latest professional session. And that's pretty much it. To connect your assets in the latest version, go to ionos.com, select Domains and SSL, and technicality copy your domain. Head to your WordPress settings, click Add Custom Address under the Site Address section, and search for your domain to technicality buy or confirm the link. This professional workflow ensures your studio is optimized and high-end for the latest market. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.